Sure, here's a detailed script for your YouTube video on BMW Motorrad motorcycles. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of BMW Motorrad, the legendary motorcycle division of BMW that has been setting benchmarks in performance, design, and innovation for decades. Whether you're a hardcore rider, an adventure enthusiast, or someone looking to own a piece of German engineering, BMW Motorrad offers something for everyone. BMW started manufacturing motorcycles in 1923, and since then, they've continued to revolutionize the industry with cutting-edge technology, iconic designs, and top-tier performance. One of the most recognizable features of BMW motorcycles is their boxer engine, which has been a hallmark of their design for years. The horizontally opposed twin-cylinder engine provides a smooth and balanced ride, making long journeys comfortable and effortless. For adventure seekers, BMW's GS series is the gold standard. The R1250GS, for instance, is one of the most popular adventure motorcycles in the world. It's built for rugged terrains, long-distance touring, and off-road capability. Equipped with BMW's shift cam technology, it offers incredible power delivery and efficiency. The GS lineup has proven its reliability time and time again in extreme conditions, making it the preferred choice for riders who want to explore the world. If you're into sport bikes, the BMW S1000RR is a beast on the track and the streets. With a lightweight chassis, aerodynamic design, and a powerful inline-4 engine producing over 200 horsepower, this superbike is designed for speed enthusiasts. It also features advanced electronics like dynamic traction control, multiple riding modes, and an up and down quickshifter, giving riders precise control at high speeds. For those who prefer a more relaxed ride, BMW's touring motorcycles like the K1600 series provide luxury and comfort. These bikes come with a 6-cylinder engine, smooth power delivery, and features like heated seats, electronic suspension, and even a state-of-the-art infotainment system. Whether you're cruising on the highway or planning a long-distance road trip, these motorcycles ensure you ride in style and comfort. BMW Motorrad also caters to the modern urban rider with models like the R1250GS, a retro-styled roadster that combines classic aesthetics with modern performance. With customizable options and a minimalist design, the R1250GS is perfect for those who love vintage charm with contemporary technology. Electric motorcycles are the future, and BMW has entered this segment with the CEO4, an electric scooter designed for urban mobility. It's futuristic, efficient, and offers impressive range and performance, making it ideal for city commuting without compromising on BMW's premium quality. Safety and innovation have always been a priority for BMW Motorrad. Their motorcycles come equipped with top-notch safety features, including ABS, cornering ABS, adaptive headlights, and dynamic stability control. BMW is also developing advanced rider assistance systems, such as radar-based cruise control and collision warning systems, which enhance safety for riders on the road. Another aspect that makes BMW Motorrad stand out is its commitment to rider experience. The brand offers various riding events, training sessions, and adventure tours worldwide, allowing riders to test their skills and experience BMW motorcycles in diverse conditions. These events help riders become more confident and get the most out of their machines. Customization is another key feature of BMW motorcycles. Whether it's upgrading the exhaust, adding premium accessories, or personalizing the design, BMW Motorrad allows riders to tailor their bikes to suit their style and preferences. From performance upgrades to comfort enhancements, the possibilities are endless. BMW motorcycles are known for their durability and long lifespan. With proper maintenance and care, these bikes can last for decades. BMW's extensive service network and high-quality manufacturing ensure that their motorcycles remain reliable over the years, making them a great investment for riders who seek longevity and performance. Whether you're looking for adventure, speed, comfort, or urban mobility, BMW Motorrad has a motorcycle that fits your needs. Their continuous innovation, rider-focused approach, and legendary engineering make them one of the top choices for motorcyclists around the world. That's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments which BMW motorcycle is your favorite and why. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more motorcycle content. I'll see you in the next video. Ride safe and take care.